Forget everything that feels safe right now. The worst feeling? Watching everyone else catch the next big wave while your fund sits frozen, stuck in the past, blinded by yesterday's trends. That gut-wrenching frustration when you know disruptive sectors are out there, shaking markets, rewriting rules, but they slip through your fingers again and again because you're chasing what everyone else already knows. It's maddening, isn't it? The gnawing sense that maybe your network isn't sharp enough, your insights aren't deep enough, your processes are broken. That rage bubbles up because you're not stupid. You have the drive. But your fund isn't identifying tomorrow's giants fast enough, and that's a death sentence in today's hyperspeed world. Here's the brutal truth. Most funds scan headlines and surface chatter. They look at where money flows, copy strategies, hunt for the shiny. That's a recipe for being perpetually one step behind, like addicts trying to catch a buzz from the last wave. Stop doing that. Stop worshiping obvious signals. Instead, start obsessing over the gaps between signals. Those whispers beneath the noise where true disruption breeds. The cracks nobody dares to enter because it's too raw, too uncertain, too chaotic. The secret is relentless listening, not loud chasing. Step 1, bulldoze your assumptions. Every sector you think you know is probably already saturated with capital, inflated ideas, and herd mentality. Tear down your mental maps. Replace them with raw curiosity that demands why and why not. And most importantly, who's in the shadows building the future nobody sees? Dig into emerging tech forums, underground communities, radical academic papers. Yes, the stuff that feels too weird, too fringe, too early to matter. Those are the fire starters of disruption. Convince your partners that the weird and wild deserve study, not dismissal. Step 2, leverage the intimate, untapped human element. The best sectors don't announce themselves via data dumps. They reveal themselves through the stories and struggles of the founders living those challenges every day. Invest in brutal, no-fluff conversations with the outliers, the relentless solvers who don't give a damn about hype or money, but are obsessed with smashing real-world problems. Build a network that's not just about co-investing, but about deep, constant, emotional connection. These relationships are your radar. They'll tip you off before markets catch on. Step 3, fuse intuition with relentless data synthesis. You don't need fancy AI magic or million-dollar consultants. What you need is obsessive pattern recognition and the guts to act on it today. Combine unconventional signals from patent filings, regulatory gray areas, emerging policy shifts, even raw social sentiment patterns. Pressure test every insight with brutal honesty. Ask yourself, is this real disruption or just a mirage dressed as one? Real disruption breaks rules, not just tweaks them. Chase that. Finally, embrace radical patience and adaptability. The market loves the distracted. It punishes the restless. Don't rush every trend like it's a ticking bomb you must explode immediately. Instead, cultivate a disciplined wait and watch strategy, backed by rapid recalibration when evidence hits. Funds that identify disruptive sectors first think in cycles, not spikes. You must learn to breathe with the industry's hidden currents, not just gasp at surface waves. Your fund isn't helpless. This frustration you feel, it's the fire. Use it to burn down old ways and build a new strategy that's raw, human, relentless, and absolutely ruthless. Stop chasing illusions of comfort in known markets. Tear down borders in thinking. Look past national or institutional bias. The sectors that remake the world don't respect your rules, your status, your legacy. They exist in chaos, in diversity, in rebellion. Find them, own them, fund them before anyone else even wakes up. Because if you don't, someone else will. And you'll be left watching from the sidelines, whispering about what might have been. This is no time for comfort. This is war for the future, and the future belongs to those who see the unseen, hear the unheard, and leap before the rest even blink.